Is the IPv6 No Internet Access error showing up on your network? Connectivity issues like these can be frustrating, especially when your connection seems fine in other respects. IPv6, or Internet Protocol version 6, is crucial as it allows more devices to connect to the internet. But just like any technology, it occasionally runs into problems. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix the IPv6 No Internet Access problem in router settings, ensuring your network runs smoothly. Step 1. Check your router compatibility. Before delving into complex settings, it's essential to ensure your router supports IPv6. Most modern routers do, but it's worth checking your router specifications or manual to confirm. If it doesn't, you might need a firmware update or, in some cases, a newer model to handle IPv6 functions fully. Step 2. Access router settings. To begin troubleshooting, access your router settings. Open a web browser, enter the router's IP address in the address bar, and log in using your credentials. If you haven't changed these, the default username and password are often admin. Once inside, navigate to the Network or Advanced Settings section to find IPv6 configurations. Step 3. Enable IPv6. In the settings, look for an option to enable IPv6. It might be under headings like Internet or WAN setup. If the option is disabled, toggle it on. Some routers also offer different IPv6 options, such as Auto Configure, 624, or Static IPv6. For most home networks, selecting Auto Configure is the best choice, allowing the router to automatically find the best settings. Step 4. Restart your devices. Once you've enabled IPv6, restart your router and all connected devices. A fresh start often solves connectivity issues, granting new IP configurations. Turn off your devices for about 5 minutes, then power them back on. This process should clear any temporary glitches or errors. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause many network issues, including problems with IPv6 connectivity. While still logged into the router settings, look for a firmware update section. If an update is available, follow instructions to download and install it. This process could take a few minutes, but is crucial for maintaining your network's health. Step 6. Test your connection. After doing the troubleshooting steps, test your internet connection to check if the problem persists. Use devices connected to your network to see if they can access the internet. You can also use online tools to verify your IPv6 connectivity status. If everything is configured correctly, these tools should indicate a successful IPv6 connection. Step 7. Call your internet service provider. If you've tried all the above steps and still face issues, it may be time to reach out to your internet service provider. There might be compatibility issues or certain configurations from their end that need adjusting. Explain your problem and they can remotely assist or suggest further actions, such as upgrading your plan. Fixing the IPv6 No Internet Access problems in router settings doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue and ensure your network is up and running efficiently. Whether it's a compatibility check, enabling IPv6, or checking for firmware updates, each step contributes to a more stable and reliable connection. Remember, if everything else fails, your ISP is always there to help. Eliminate those pesky network disruptions and enjoy smooth surfing.